Des, Fabiana, Ryan Trahan, Brady Potter, and Jonah Marais. What, I have a crumb in my eyelash. Renegade, renegade, renegade. You can literally see my armpit stains because I'm sweating so much. Hey guys, it's my family here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Today, I'm going to be getting 5 of my guy friends to be picking my outfits and I'm going to be rating them out of 10 and posting them on Instagram. So the guys that are going to be picking my outfits are Des, Fabiana, Ryan Trahan, Brady Potter, and Jonah Marais. If you guys don't know who they are, I'm going to explain more about them in the video. But I don't know how good they're going to do. I hope not too bad because I'm going to have to post these on Instagram. Which if you guys aren't following me on Instagram already, make sure to go follow me on there because I post lots of outfit pictures and like a lot of things about my YouTube channel. So basically the guys sent in videos of them explaining what outfit they wanted and some of them sent reference pictures. And then I'm gonna be trying to recreate the outfit that they want me to do, take Instagram pictures in them, and then I'm gonna rate them out of 10. And at the end, we're gonna see who has the best and who has the worst. If you guys don't already know what my style is already, it's more like neutral colors, nudes, black, white, and then sometimes like a pop of red or like just a pop of color. But other than that, I keep it super simple and I try to keep it monochromatic. So that's my style. Anyways, let's just get started onto this video. All right, so the first outfit that I'm gonna do is Fabian's. If you guys don't know who Fabian is, I made a whole vlog about it, but basically we met in Bali and we're actually planning on traveling together again once everything's over, and we kind of just talk on FaceTime every other day just to catch up now.
Hello, my name is Fabian. I am 18 years old and I'm from Norway. My outfit pick for you, Mai, is a kind of basic one. I was thinking a pair of white shoes, some jeans with, I don't know what it's called. But
oh my god, like, so cute.
Yeah, with some holes or rifts in them. A plain white t-shirt, a blazer, or an overshirt. Something will make it look a bit more creative and not so basic. Yeah. Oh
my god, he is so adorable. Okay, so I'm looking at the reference pictures he sent and I actually have a flannel kind of just like this and some jeans and everything that look like this. So let's try to recreate this. Let's go to my closet. So I'm looking at my white shirts and I think I want to get this white shirt from Princess Polly. It's just like a simple cropped ribbed shirt. For jeans, I'm going to do this pair of like ripped mom jeans. I think that'll be good.
Pair of white shoes.
Okay, white shoes. I think these will be good. Okay. Here we have a mannequin. This mannequin seems like a lot of work. I actually don't want to do it anymore. Never mind. And then for the jacket, I just got this one. I think it like looks pretty similar to the one in the picture, obviously just not green. This is from Garage, but I stole it from Datetree because she left it here. Thank you, Datetree. So I'm gonna get changed into this outfit and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is the outfit. I actually think it looks pretty good. I don't know how I feel about the jeans though, just because they don't look, I don't know, they look really weird right now. I think I got it down to how the picture is like pretty freaking good. Is this something that I would wear? 100% yes. Bro, it's hot as fuck in this bitch. So I'm gonna wear around for a bit, take some Instagram pictures, and we'll come back. But like, I really actually like this outfit. So good job, Fabian. I got these jeans from Topshop, this shirt's from Princess Polly, this belt is from Brady, and then this jacket is from Garage, and these shoes are off-white. For this outfit, I'm actually gonna take it in my room because I think that like this matches my room really well. I take a lot of mirror selfies in my room though. Okay, I think we got the Instagram pictures. It took me long enough. I would rate this outfit 9 out of 10. This is exactly my style, and I would wear this out. 9 out of 10. I'm gonna do that because there's always room for improvement. But like Fabian, you did a really good job, and I think like I did a good job matching the picture. But like, I actually love this outfit like a lot. Good job, Fabian. Okay, so now let's do Ryan Trahan's outfit. I met Ryan through Haley, and he always has the most creative Instagram captions and pictures and videos. I don't understand how he does it, but he also runs a family channel with Haley. So if you guys haven't watched our videos yet, go check it out.
What's up, my family viewers? So my outfit request, it's gonna be the Yeezy 700 B2 Statics. I know you have
Yes,
those.
I do.
It's in quarter length white socks. They have to be quarter length. Oh, acne. Welcome to my world. Kiwi green shorts. Kiwi green shorts and a pink t-shirt, oversized, but still small enough to show the shorts.
Haley actually posted a picture in a pink shirt and green biker shorts. So I don't know where Ryan got the inspiration. Did Ryan inspire Haley or did Haley get the inspiration from Ryan? We don't know. I actually didn't have either of those, so I had to order them online. Basically, I'm getting Patrick Star vibes, watermelon vibes. I ordered this stuff from Pretty Little Thing. I hate biker shorts. I hate how they look on me. I'm a literal rectangle, so they look terrible. So this is gonna be absolutely questionable. I don't think it's gonna look good, but Ryan, I'm putting a little bit of faith in you. Then he wanted me to get quarter length socks. Quarter length socks, got them, and we're gonna grab the Yeezy. This is gonna be the outfit. Am I excited? No. Okay, let's get changed into it. So I can't say that this outfit's my favorite. Already the bright colors is not my thing. And then the biker shorts, not my thing. I'm literally coming for Patrick Starr's brand. Let me get my friends' reactions. By the way, one of them is my roommate and another one is moving here. So like, I'm not just having friends over, I promise. Jessica drove 5 hours here because she's moving here. Guys, I need your guys' reaction. Can you close your eyes? Open your eyes.
Oh my god. You know what you look like? Party Rock Anthem LMFAO music video.
Sorry, baby.
Literally, I just hear Party Rock playing in the
Party Rockers.
You find those shoes on the street?
Oh, shut the fuck up, these are my shoes.
literally looks like something Billie Eilish wears.
Billie Eilish. Oh, my legs hurt.
Shut up.
Renegade, renegade, renegade. Love you, Ryan.
He definitely wasn't being serious. I hope he wasn't being serious.
Ryan, were you being serious? So these are see-through. You can see my underwear. So Ryan, I'm gonna rate your outfit a 2 out of 10. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. All right, let's see Brady's outfit. So I randomly met Brady at Playlist Live this year because I was seeing disposable camera pictures of everybody, but him and Lorraine looked extra cute. But they actually have the funniest fucking videos ever. I just discovered them. And Brady has a really fucking good Instagram. They ended up being some of the sweetest people I met at Playlist Live, so go check them out.
What's up, everybody? My name's Brady Potter, if you don't know me. But we are gathered here today for a very special reason.
Here?
I have the opportunity to pick out Mai's outfit. Going through her Instagram, you see a lot of black and white. You see a lot of
Damn, he did his research.
neutrals. You see maybe a pop of red. But I think we should add more color. And Mai, I want you to give me a monochromatic purple outfit, silver accessories. I want you to add this hairstyle.
Bro.
You have to edit that in. Yeah, just make it cute. Try to work with what you got.
Bro, I can't fucking do that shit to my hair. How the fuck? Okay, let's first change the outfit and then we'll do the hair. Okay, hold on. Why is this actually cute? I actually like this like a lot. Like I picked it out in like maybe 5 minutes. I had to order everything online if you guys can see. I like how like these two are kind of the same shade, but then this gives it a little bit of contrast. Oh my god, Brady's looking out for me. Oh, what? I have a fucking crumb in my eyelash. I don't know what shoes to wear with it though. I think I'm gonna wear white heels. Okay, I don't know how the fuck to do this hairstyle. I think you just like braid your hair back, but I have extensions in. Okay. I'm gonna tie this one. Now let's do the other one. This actually doesn't look as bad as I thought with extensions. Okay, this hair doesn't look too bad. So for silver jewelry, I'm just gonna put on the basic Cuban chain. Ready guys for the outfit reveal? I still have to put shoes on. You guys can look.
It's not bad.
I guess it's not as bad as the other one.
Yeah.
It's definitely way better than the last one. I agree.
I don't think that this is bad.
I like the jacket.
Okay, got the heels on. Look like I'm like ready for like a Zumba class.
What? No.
Maybe a salsa class. There we go. What do you guys think of this outfit?
I think like a 5.5, 6, maybe.
I'd give it a 6.
I'd say 7. For me, it's just the pants. I don't know.
So they want me to go outside looking like this. I don't know why. How do I fucking salsa dance? So I'm a professional dancer now. So we're, I guess, gonna go out and get an Instagram picture and like embarrass myself. I trip and fall. Great. Police car. Hey, what's up? There are so many people, guys. Literally a cop just passed us too. Oh, places are starting to open up again. It's so cute. We're not as bad as America, guys. All the restrictions and everything are like coming off. I mean, not all of them, but like slowly they're all coming off right now. We're gonna take some fucking Instagram pictures now because content, baby, content. This is a busy ass street. People are watching me. I literally look like Barney.
Honestly, in the pictures, it kind of looks good.
Because this outfit is good. Oh my god, there's so many cars!
How many pictures do you take? My arms are getting sore.
Your window's like falling out.
Fuck off, bitch. I have fat fucking feet. Ugh, 20 minutes later. Okay. So overall, I would rate this outfit like an 8 out of 10, honestly. Like, obviously I wouldn't wear this all the time or anything like that. It makes me look like a rectangle, definitely. Can't really help that. So Brady, good job, because like, I actually really like this for some reason, and I don't know why. And also this hair, I actually kind of like it, like it's growing on me. And I've never done this to my hair before, so like this is something different. So Brady, I think you're doing a very, very, very good job. Creativeness, 10 out of 10. Overall, 8 out of 10. But like right now, I would say your outfit is winning. Even though I rated Fabian's like a 9 out of 10, it was a little bit basic though, you know? Okay. You can literally see my armpit stains because I'm sweating so much. Let's go to Dez's. If you guys don't know who Dez is, he's a 20-year-old fashion model from Germany, but he works from New York, and I hit him up in his DMs back in January of 2019 with the cheesiest pickup line ever, but somehow he responded. So we've hung out twice since, and he's one of the goofiest people I know. Super kind, such a gentleman, literally does the most. And we did this like helicopter ride back in, I don't even know when, but it was super fun, and I posted the full thing on TikTok. So if you guys aren't following Dez on Instagram already, go follow him.
Hey, what's up everybody? So I joined this challenge, and I would like you to dress a little more preppy this time, because remember the first time we met, you kind of had like a business outfit on.
Oh, he still remembers.
So I'll send you some reference pictures. Preppy, office, not uncomfortable, not stuck up, but like elevated. I'm excited. See you.
If you guys don't know, Des is literally a fashion model, so like he has some good taste, but that's so cute that he remembers what I wore the first time we met. I'm looking at his reference pictures. Okay, I found this white blouse that is actually the blouse that I wore when I first met him. For the pants, the only pants that I have are these like heavy kind of cargo pants. These are from Aritzia. These are the exact pieces that I wore when I first met him. This blazer, which is like the exact same one kind of looking, then I'll put on some white heels, and then I need a belt. So in the picture, the girl was wearing like kind of like this gold belt, so I think that this will be really good. I'm gonna put this on and then we'll do the accessories. So this is what the outfit looks like. I don't really know how I feel about like the whole set with like this off kind of, and it just like being like this. I think it's a lot cuter without the blazer in my opinion. I need to put the heels on, but I don't know what I want to do with my hair. It's so hot. I can't with this jacket. For my hair, I think I want to bring two pieces back, you know? I think this could be cute. Okay, I just fixed my lipstick, and then I also just like kind of like hung the blazer over my outfit, which I think looks a lot cuter. Also put the heels on. I want to dress like this more often, but like also I'm 17 years old and I have no reason to be dressing like this. But let's get their reaction. Do you guys like this outfit?
I really like it. I like it a lot with those heels too.
What would you guys rate this outfit out of 10?
I think that outfit's like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I agree.
What could make it a 10 out of 10?
I think personally I would make like the pants a little bit more fancy.
I don't have fancier pants, bro.
Like it still looks really cute because it makes it look a lot more casual.
This is my child. Look at the way he's just sitting. This outfit was really good. Honestly, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. So Des, you're currently winning. So next we're gonna do Jonah. If you guys don't know who Jonah is, he's in a band called Why Don't We with 4 other guys. We hung out in Hawaii about almost a year ago back in May of 2019. Super fun. He's honestly one of the most kind and humble people I know. Here's him wiping out and here's some cute pictures.
Yo, what's up, Mai? It's Jonah. I hope you're doing well through this quarantine madness. I'm hanging out by the lake. But I was told you want me to tell you what outfit to wear for your YouTube video. So I would say do a black turtleneck with a jean jacket over it, and then tuck the black turtleneck into some black jeans with rips on them. Also some cool boots. Throw a belt on, maybe a cool necklace for some pizzazz. I'm excited to see how it looks. All right, hope you're well. Peace. First of all, this outfit kind of reminds me of The Rock a little bit. I had to ask Anila for a black turtleneck since I don't own one because I just don't look good in a turtleneck because I don't have a neck, because I don't have a torso. Did you know that your neck correlates to your like your waist and everything? Anyways, now I need to find some jeans. So he said black ripped jeans, right? Look at this mess that's going on in my room right now because of this video. I also just walked up the stairs. Got the black ripped jeans. Now I need a jean jacket. So I don't know if he wanted me to get a light wash jean jacket or if he wanted a black jean jacket because I have both. Did he say what shoes he wanted me to wear? Oh, boots. Okay. Boots, cool boots. We'll wear these ones. They're snake skin from Princess Polly. Let's change into this and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, this is the outfit and like I added a different belt. I was gonna do a clear one, but I thought I might as well do this. So like it's a little bit more edgy than I usually would wear it. I usually wear like a clear belt, but this turtleneck, not really feeling it. Don't hate it as much as I thought I would. But I did like a black denim jacket because it just matched the jeans. I don't know if that's what he wanted. Added some cool snakeskin boots. Let's add a cute little purse to it. Jonah, you got some good taste. So if you guys are wondering where this stuff is from, this jacket is from Brady. This is from I don't know where, Anila's closet. I literally just touched my tit. These jeans are from Princess Polly. This screams edgy to me. Let's get the reactions. Okay, before you guys open your eyes, this outfit is a very edgy outfit. Whose is this one? This is Jonah's, but he said to use a denim jacket, so I could have used a light wash one, but I used a black one so that it would match the outfit better, okay?
Okay.
What do you guys think?
I really like it.
But it's so like, I feel like I'm gonna kill someone in this outfit. Okay, so what would you guys rate this outfit out of 10?
I think it's pretty good. I would give it like an 8 or an 8.5. Give it a 9.
Honestly, yeah, I would rate this like a 9. Great job, Jonah. While this boy's playing wagon wheel, we're gonna take some Instagram pictures. We're gonna do it right here instead. Hi, so it's the next day. I'm looking very rough, but I've been editing this video for like 10 hours straight now and I'm going insane. So like if the editing just got progressively worse, that is why. Time to rate the outfits and like rank them all in order, like all together. Let me know what you guys think, like who did best and who did the worst down in the comments, because I read all my comments and that'd be like so entertaining, and like vote. I think the best outfit goes to Des. The business outfit was just the second best overall, I would think, would have to be Brady Potter's because it was really creative. Although it was like weird, it was really creative. Third would either be Jonah's or Fabian. They were both really good. I would have to tie Fabian and Jonah's because they were both really good. Last is Ryan's. I'm sorry, but I wasn't feeling the Patrick Star vibes, but it was funny. If you guys want to go check out all the Instagram pictures, I posted them all just now as you guys are watching this video. Go on my Instagram, check them out. Also follow the guys if you guys haven't already. I've been editing this video for so long, I'm literally dead, and it's currently 10:31 and I'm not even fully done yet. So make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed already. Comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. And until next time, peace.
east and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should arrest her.